We about to react to Lil Yachty, Icewear Vezzo, Rio the Young OG. I had to fix my thing. It was too small. The Making of Plastic. Let me see if I got this on HD. All right, let's get straight to it, man. Free Rio, free T. Yeah, man. Icewear Vezzo, Iced Up Records, going crazy. Concrete Boys, Lil Yachty going crazy.
Damn, Spark, you shot this.
Never that is. Wake up and tell your parents, should never have kids. Stimulus, all in my pop. It's a red rock. Look, bro, we win the whole game. Now they dead stop.
I like that flow. See, Lil Yachty on these type of beats with that particular flow is crazy. This sound like a Vezzo beat more than it sound like anybody else beat on this song. Like this sound more like a Vezzo type beat. And I know that Vezzo probably felt real comfortable on this beat. And I don't know if Yachty did, but this flow is a real comfortable sounding flow.
All of my works, catch the feds fly. G6, Percocet 10s, make the bed rock.
Bed rock.
We was talking
crazy. That's a good trade.
You know that bitch talking spicy for real.
We was talking crazy about that shit. Yeah, well, that shit back one more time, just real quick. Niggas was talking crazy.
Yeah, man. This one's
The only thing I wish Yachty would have did was pronounced his words a little bit more like put a little more like umph in it. That's the only thing I would have wanted him to do. It sounded like he was mumbling it, and it sounded like he was It kind of reminded me of V's. I feel like if V's was on the song, that's how he would have approached this beat. Cause it's kind of like give me V's vibes too, this beat. But I feel like Yachty might have did that on purpose, because Yachty got different styles that he could tap into. He got his pop bag, his R&B bag, his straight trap rap bag, his Michigan bag. He got his auto-tune bag. He got so many different bags that he could have tapped into. But yeah, Yachty verse, his vocals, his like the tone of his voice gave me like V's vibes.
Keep that shit going, man. That shit, I'll cut it off on nothing. Alright. Yeah, bulletproof the truck, bitch, on with all the riders. Yeah, chopper on me, been I shot this bitch on autopilot.
Us, 20 with my soda, this shit dark as me. Go. Running with my soldiers to the town. Go. I don't give a fuck if he was 7'3". FN, I'm not gonna get down to the same size as me.
He said, I don't give a fuck if he was 7 feet. FN knock a nigga down same size as me. I see you, Yachty. I clapped so loud my ear ringing. That was a hard line.
And my house is crazy. When I look out my window, this shit still amazes me. Shooters walking around my bitch like she the first lady. 2 million in the property down for my first baby. Damn. Never that is. Wake up and tell your parents, should never have kids. Stimulus, all in my.
Yachty head is moving way faster than the beat, bro. Like, pay attention.
Pop, this a red rock. Look, bro, we won the whole game. Now they did.
That's how you know you're from Atlanta. Atlanta got the more up-tempo sound than this type of beat. So he probably used to bobbing his head faster.
All of my works, catch the feds fly. G6, Percocet 10s, make the bed rock.
Secret sauce, them G6s. I won't stop rapping about it.
Playing that shit had me feeling like, yeah.
You ever tried that before?
Man, what?
You don't want to try? You don't?
Oh, one of them.
Bro, that nigga Yachty said, I don't give a fuck if he's 7 feet, FNN, knock a nigga down, it's the same size as me, bro. That's probably the bar of the year. That's probably the bar of the year, because that shit was hard, bro. Hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to Spark. Shout out to Lil Yachty. Shout out to Icewear Vezzo. Free Rio, free T. Really ghetto. Shout out to Peasy. Shout out to Detroit, man. Detroit and Flint, we like this, man. For real. Hey, let me know what else y'all want me to react to. Comment more, Yachty, Rio, E, T. Oh, T got some new music. I gotta react to T shit. Anyway, man. Freaky T reactions coming soon. He dropped a couple videos. You know, I'm gonna check them bitches out, man. So yeah.